We're here at Coronado Beach. Say hello to Laura.
Hey everybody! See my new post!
Woo,
my
definitely.
first IGTV ever video.
Yes, and we will be tagging it. And this sand literally feels like butter. Guys, we're making our way down 145 steps to the cove. Check this out. Low ceiling. So this place was basically carved out by hand, by man? I don't know. By someone. Two men. And they made these stairs and these handles to go down. Pretty cool. Right, so we just finished climbing down those steps. This is what it looks like. Look at this. Guys, this glow is everything, and look who's with me. I look so relaxed. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you for coming. CB goes to Cali. Mi casa su casa, everybody. So come visit me in Cali. I can't wait. Guys, check out this view. I'm going to show you right now. Hello, Cinderella. So we are here with our March 2020 bride, Michelle. Say hello. We're here in LA, so I'm super excited to finally get to meet you. This was such a nice opportunity for us to just get together, grab a drink, and just like meet. We haven't, you booked a few months ago, right? Yeah. And we haven't had a chance to meet, so like say hi to everybody. Hi. And we're gonna do your trial next month, right? Yep. What are you most excited about? Because you just told me you're sitting here that you're super excited about spending your wedding. Yeah. So tell everybody what you're excited about.
I'm excited about marrying my best friend of 15 years on our 15-year anniversary. It's going to be beautiful in our hometown of New York, New Jersey area. So I just can't wait for all of that and to make me beautiful on that.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, and to give you a hug. It's so nice meeting you. Okay, so we just got to Santa Monica, and we were just saying that this place is kind of like a combination of the Jersey Shore. So you kind of see the pier over there. Definitely a must visit with the family too. You know what I'm talking about. It's 90 degrees out here in LA. That's how you know it's extra. So we just got to the Louis Vuitton exhibition here in Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna walk you through it. This is like the entrance. It's Louis Vuitton himself. Very cool. There's Laura. And guys, this is legit punching bag. A very expensive one. Okay guys, I did not know that Louis Vuitton made sneakers. Look at this. Ugh. I don't know if I'm a fan. Kind of weird looking. Guys know I love my dresses. Look at how beautiful this is. Experience, Ishika. This one's for you. Remember, I'm doing the poop experience for poopery. What you want a dessert? What is it? A churro bowl? Is that?
Fried ice
Oh my
cream and
god.
churro bowl.
Bad, 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 good.